Hey everybody, welcome to day 3 or part 3 of our spring clean in the bathrooms. I am here to show you everybody's favorite thing to clean in the bathrooms, the toilet. I start off cleaning my toilets with my dusting mitt. Here's why. When I use my Envirocloth to clean it, all of this dust and dirt and hair and little pieces of toilet paper totally get stuck in my Envirocloth. So I always start off with my dusting mitt. Look at all that is not going to get stuck in my Envirocloth. All right, so when we are ready to clean the toilet, I start off with some bathroom cleaner. I just spray the toilet and then I'm going to clean the inside of the toilet first and then cover everything on the outside. So I'm going to show you my tricks for doing that. First thing I'm going to do is spray it all down with the bathroom cleaner so it can start soaking and getting rid of that residue. Okay, so you can see that my toilet has quite the ring inside. Beautiful, right? My favorite thing to use to clean the inside of the toilet is 220 weight sandpaper. Get this wet. It is going to scrub all of this out of my toilet without. So my favorite thing to use on the inside of my toilets is some 220 weight sandpaper. Get this wet. It's going to easily clean the inside of the toilet without harming the porcelain, and it's going to get rid of all the smells and all the gunk and all the stuff that is really hard to get rid of. So take a little bit of sandpaper, get it wet, and watch this. See all the gunk falling down from underneath the rim? Crazy, right? Okay, I'm gonna admit, guys, lots of boys in my house, and I really don't clean the toilets very often. All right, so we're gonna flush this. And you can see it has a beautiful sparkly clean now. So when my toilet is clean, normally like this, it's very easy just to keep it clean with the toilet brush. I love this, it's very easy. You can get under that rim and get some of that gunk that's under there. The silicone bristles in this are easy to keep clean. They have backlock in them so they don't get stinky and gross, and it hangs in its holder so that the bristles don't get crushed. Okay, so that is cleaning the inside of the toilet. Seriously, the 220 sandpaper, guys, saves lives. All right, then I will just take my Envirocloth and wipe down the rest of the toilet. Another easy tip for your toilet, guys, is some of the laundry detergent. You can lift your tank up and put about 1/4 of a scoop in your tank. That will help to clean your tank, and it will also help to clean the water things that let the water in, because they build up residue as well. So I'll just take a 1/2 scoop of this, let it dissolve in there, and then the next time we flush the toilet, it's going to help clean the inner workings of the toilet by throwing a little bit of laundry detergent in there. One down, 4 more to go. All right, happy toilet cleaning today, guys. Post your pictures of your pretty porcelains to get in our drawing for this week, okay? Bye, guys. Hello, friends. Today we're working on dusting still for our spring cleaning project. Now, we all know that I hate to dust, like it's the nemesis. Don't like to do it in any way, shape, or form. So I have to bring along a friend to help me with the dusting today. So dusting is no match for the Dusting Ninja. Yeah! All right, so when I do dust, I like to use 2 dusting mitts so I can statically charge these things together. If you only have one, that's okay. Rub it against itself, rub it against your pant leg, get that good static charge in so that the dust will literally jump into your dusting mitts. So we are gonna go over electronics today and knickknacks. So got my entertainment center here, I got my TV. I'm gonna show you how I dust these to get them all nice and spring cleaned. So here we go over here. See, I've got this little charged up, and how easy is it to be able to just grab my stuff? I can wipe down everything really easy. Yeah, it's on there. All right. After I get surfaces dusted with my television, I like to, before I'm gonna wipe it down with my tech cloth to get those fingerprints and stuff off, I do like to pull the dust off, because if I'm using my tech cloth and rubbing the dust on there, I don't wanna scratch my TV. So I will take my Envirowand or my dusting mitt, charge it up a little bit, and just give the TV a quick wipe down, just to pull that surface dust off. The dust tidy back there because dust harbors so many chemicals and bacteria and all kinds of nasty stuff for us. So the more we can reduce the dust in our home, the better off we're going to be for allergies, just for breathing, and keeping people from getting sick. So once I have wiped down the dust off of my electronics, I am going to take my handheld system. So I've got the window cloth on here, but I like to use, especially on this big TV, because those TVs have those special coatings on them, I like to use the tech cloth. Now the tech cloth is super, super fine, very much like the optic scarf, only it has sticky nubs on the one side so you can like keep it on your hand when you're trying to clean things off. So I like to put it on because I can't reach the top of my TV. So I like to take my tech cloth and put my handheld system and kind of connect it to that. I just kind of tuck it under here a little bit and voila, I have a tech cloth cleaning pad. And so then I can just take this and go, I can almost make it to the top. And wipe my TV. I can use a little bit more force to help me get those fingerprints. You know, my kids touch down here on the end, bottom of the TV. And I can use that tech cloth with a little bit of force to make sure that I'm getting it all good and clean. No more fingerprints. So super easy. And again, your tech cloth, it is designed for those special coatings that are on your TVs and your computer screens, not going to cause any damage to them. So tech cloth is great to have when you're doing these kind of devices. Okay, Dusting Ninja is ready to go do some knickknacks. You ready? Okay, so I've got these windows up here with these blinds that never get dusted. Love this Envirowand that I can bend and I can just get up here and grab this dust. It's hanging out on the bottom of these windowsills. Let's do some knickknacks. So with the two, it makes it, again, very easy just to grab and dust and you can get them all clean. So my fake plants are, you know, me just shoving. They're really not professionally done, but it is very easy to dust them, even though they are not going to stay together very well with my dusting mitt. Ta-da! Super easy to keep those suckers clean. Let's do something big here. The dust is real, baby. All right, what are you gonna dust today? I wanna see your pictures, see that you have been able to eradicate this nasty stuff in your houses today, going after knickknacks and electronics, have lots of fun, and I'll see you tomorrow for ceiling fans.